Well, here you see our two bunkhouses, tiny houses that we use as bunkhouses. We're going to look inside. They're primitive bunkhouses, but just to give you an idea, they're right at the base of the mountain here at Chantilly Farm. Off to the right there, you see our trail starting up the mountain. We have bike trails, multi-use trails. Add a little bit there, a little play area for children. And then swinging on around a little further, you see our event stage, huge, beautiful stage, and our event barn down there. The country store off to the right, and the Blue Ridge Mountain Peak, the Blue Ridge Parkway right along that peak. Just beautiful out here. We'll go in and take a look at these primitive cabins. They're very popular. They rent quite well. Well, here's a close-up of the two bunkhouses. Let's go into bunkhouse A here and take a look inside. These are really primitive, but people do love to rent them. You see inside there's 4 bunks, 1 light bulb, nothing fancy in here, just utility, a couple of chairs, some windows letting light in from the outside. A couple little tables and chairs over here. A few reading books for folks. Very minimal. We'll rent these for $30 a night. And like I said, they're quite popular. It sure beats living in a tent, that's for sure. So let's take a little look outside. The view out here is really nice. That's one thing people like about these. Just go out here and stand on the front porch. Little fire pit down in front with a grill. And you see the rest of the farm over there. Beautiful view, and when the leaves are out, it's really green and beautiful. It's January 7th here today, so it's pretty much right in the middle of the winter. But you see our huge entertainment stage and amphitheater, our venue barn down there where we do weddings and so forth, country store, tiny house version of a bunkhouse version of a tiny house. And we happen to call this one Cheery Chipmunk. Interesting name. We try to use names that are relative to the country and rural area that we're in. Very nice.